This video is for administrators who are looking to manage people, roles, and access for their teams through EnlightenAI directly. Now, when I come to my administrator portal, which I'm at because I can see I have a district administrator card on the upper right, and I can toggle roles over here if I happen to be in teacher mode. Then I'm going to see an administration section that says people and roles. I'm going to click it so that we can orient ourselves. Now here, what we see in this fictional account are the different roles that have been synced over from Clever, or if you're not a Clever user, from your student information system. I can see district admins, staff, and teachers, which are the general Clever role designations. Now, one of the challenges can be that for EnlightenAI specifically, you may want a certain teacher or a certain staff member to have additional access beyond what is in Clever. But your IT admin may not want to change what is designated in Clever, since that changes access across every system that Clever touches. The solution for this is very simple. When you're setting up EnlightenAI, the best practice is to have the person who is going to be the point person for EnlightenAI become a district admin. You can see that I've already done that here for a fictional staff member named Kendra Williams. So in this circumstance, I am a district administrator synced over from Clever. As a district administrator who may not touch the system as often as Kendra Williams will, I'm going to go in and I'm going to click Edit for Kendra Williams, and I've changed Kendra from staff up to a district admin. From this point forward, Kendra can do whatever I can do. That means that Kendra can go in as the point person, maybe as the curriculum lead or the director of curriculum and instruction, and she can go to other staff members and upgrade their access manually from staff member up to district admin. Or if, for example, we have teachers who are also coaches, we can change those teachers into staff members as well. That's what exists here for Carrie Green. So when I click on Edit for Carrie Green, we can see that originally Clever had her as a teacher, but we have added access beyond just teaching at Ortiz Middle to also being a staff member at Farley Academy as well as Ortiz Middle. Now, Carrie is going to be able to have an admin portal in which she's able to see those two schools and manage content and distribute content for those two schools. This is almost like making the district admin or the staff members upgraded in their permissions so that they can manage EnlightenAI without having to trouble IT or change system-wide preferences.